Hi friends, this is Rajiv here from Artha Institute of Management. Artha Institute of Management is a dedicated company secretary coaching center at Ottabalam, Palakkad, Kerala. We have classes for CS Executive Entrance Test, CS Executive, CS Professional, both online and offline. One of the unique features of Artha Institute of Management is like we are a dedicated company secretary coaching center. We have only company secretary coaching and we are not teaching any other course. The purpose of today's video is like all of you aware that there is a common entrance test happening for this company secretary course across the globe. The Institute of Company Secretaries of India have introduced this company secretary executive entrance test, CS executive entrance test in February 2020. And the first examination happened on August 29th. There were a lot of assumptions, presumptions, and thought process for the CS executive entrance test. And we got a clear idea after the first entrance test. It was a remote proctored entrance test where the students are allowed to sit at home and write the examination. Now we have thousands of people appearing for the next entrance happening on 21st of November 2020. So this video I'm trying to explain like there are some misconceptions about this examination, the preparations, and with regard to the questions which can be asked in this entrance test. So I'm trying here to just clear all these doubts or make more the preparation more focused. See, one of the question asked to me, because I am in the industry for the last 1 decade or more. So there are many questions came to me through YouTube, through WhatsApp, and through messaging or through calls and all the mediums. That, sir, is it true that actually the questions will be asked from the study materials provided by the Institute of Company Secretaries of India? The question is straightforward, whether these questions for the entrance test comes only from the textbooks provided or study material provided by the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. I'm sorry to say that there is no guarantee, and if we just compare or review that last examination, last entrance test what has happened in 29th of August, we can have a clear idea that the questions are based on the subjects which are mentioned in the study material, but not on the discussions which has happened in the study material. They are definitely the questions came from, most of the questions came from outside study material. So actually you cannot expect an entrance test that also for a prestigious course like company secretary should come from a textbook, because they are trying to, the institute is trying to evaluate the efficiency or aptitude of a student for pursuing this course, a prestigious course. So we should be ready to get adapted to the latest information, latest knowledge. Is it not? If that is the case, so this question never arises. The main problem here is, like for the last 12 years, I'm teaching different management courses. One of the advice I used to give to almost all the students in my classes are like, you please read daily newspaper. That's all, nothing more than that. To be frank with you, 99.99% of the students are not at all able to read the newspaper every day. Then the problem comes. Like if the questions are not coming from the textbook, then what should we do? My advice, my 32 years of experience in industry and teaching more than 12 years says that if you are very serious about company secretary course, don't hesitate to join a coaching class for preparation of the entrance, because every coaching center tries to give you thousands of questions out of the syllabus, out of the textbook, out of the study material, so that you are well equipped to appear and face the CS executive entrance test and clear in the first opportunity. The problem here is, like, most of us are overconfident by just seeing the papers. Like, there are 4 core papers and 7 different topics like legal aptitude, logical reasoning, business environment and economics, current affairs and viva voce. Then you have business communication. By just seeing the topics, most of the students feel like that we can sit at home and prepare for it. Do you really feel that a course like company secretary, which is one of the prestigious course, a course which have a lot of demand in the market, will have an entrance which is a fluke? No, never. So we should be ready to face a serious entrance test. If you are very serious about the subject or the course, and you want to clear at the first instance, because each of the opportunity, like if you, for example, you are not able to clear in the first opportunity, definitely you'll go for the second opportunity. You have already lost a lot of time, I am a person who feel like, even a day I am losing in my life, it is a big waste, big loss. So we are not supposed to waste our days. So it's my serious advice, go to a coaching institute, have a good coaching, because this CS executive entrance test is the foundation for your career as a company secretary. It is not like just an entrance test, no. It is an entrance test which will definitely evaluate the aptitude within you, whether you want seriously to become a company secretary or not. If your preparation is poor at the entrance level, or you are not taking seriously the entrance, or not learning it seriously the entrance, either you may not be able to clear it, or even if you are able to clear it, you will find it very difficult to pass the executive and professional level. So my friends, life is a game. Serious people wins the game. We should be very serious, because the career in front of you is one of the fabulous career which can be provided, which can be available to a commerce graduate or any student. And our opportunities are increasing day by day. As a company secretary, a lot of opportunities are coming up. So our opportunities are growing day by day. If you want to really grab it and you don't want to waste time, so this is your right time. Artha Institute of Management is providing online coaching for CS executive entrance test, and there are many institutes provides you coaching. So it's only like, there is no meaning, like there is no need that you should go to a separate a particular coaching center only, but you should be very careful while selecting, because please don't go for a common management college, rather you go for a dedicated company secretary coaching center run by a company secretary. It is your life. Your decisions makes your life. If you like this video, please press the like button. If you are not subscribed my channel till, please subscribe it now, because I will be posting many videos on this particular type of topics. And if you really feel like this video can be helpful to somebody, please don't forget to share it. And if you have any doubt, I am here to answer it. Put into the comment box. Till the next video, thank you very much. Bye-bye.